Hi! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up to Ahsay Managed Backup as Service or AMBaaS, a secure and easy-to-use platform designed for MSPs who want to offer reliable backup services at competitive prices, or businesses looking for affordable backups for their data fully hosted and managed by Ahsay. After successful registration, I'll walk you through the process of installing the AhsayOBM backup agent on Linux GUI using a DEB file. If you want to learn how, let's go to my screen and get started. To install AhsayOBM, first, customer must sign up for the free trial of AMBaaS. To do this, just go to www.ahsay.com. Select the free trial button at the upper right part of the page. Make sure to select the Ahsay Managed Backup tab. Then scroll down. Fill out the registration form. Once you have successfully registered for the free trial, you may now proceed with the installation. Start by downloading the AhsayOBM backup agent. To do this, open the email address you used to register for the free trial account. Click on the email with the subject Ahsay Product Evaluation Request. Click the link to the download page of your AMBaaS console. Under the AhsayOBM tab, navigate to the Linux FreeBSD Solaris section and select the DEB Online Installer to download the installer. Select Save File and click OK. Once the download has finished, open Files, then navigate to the Downloads folder. Double-click the DEB file. Click Install to begin the installation process. After installation, AhsayOBM will be added to the list of applications. Click on the icon to open the application. Enter the root password. When you start up AhsayOBM for the first time, you'll be given two options: free trial and login. Since we already have an account, let's choose login. Enter your login credentials. You may now start to create the backup set and backup your files. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Linux GUI using a DEB file. Very quick and easy. Sign up for our free trial today to safeguard critical data across unlimited devices, PCs, notebooks, servers, NAS, or mobile devices. AMBaaS has you covered. With annual or monthly subscription plans tailored to your needs, you can offer a professional, cost-effective service without the need for upfront investment in hardware, storage, or software licenses. Don't wait. Secure, reliable, and affordable data protection with Ahsay is just a click away.